Ralph Tresvant, the superstar of New Edition, is known worldwide for his soulful voice. But his life is full of twists and turns that completely changed both his career and personal life. What if I told you that his success wasn't as glamorous as it seemed? That there was a moment in his life that almost destroyed everything he worked for? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the moments that changed Ralph's life, moments that nobody knew about. And trust me, you're going to be shocked by one moment that completely changed his life. So, buckle up as we uncover Ralph Tresvant's story, a tale of fame, failure, and the ultimate battle with himself. Ralph Tresvant, one of the names that defined the golden age of New Edition and the 90s era. But did you know Ralph's life was not just about pop stardom? He faced struggles that no one saw coming. While he had fame, wealth, and success, there was a moment when everything seemed to fall apart. His rise to stardom wasn't just about the music, it was about a deeper journey that led him through personal battles, emotional turmoil, and shocking decisions that changed his life forever. In this video, we're not just talking about Ralph Tresvant the singer, we're going to dive into Ralph Tresvant the person, the man behind the music, the man behind the pain, and the one who had to rebuild everything from scratch. When New Edition first hit the scene, Ralph Tresvant seemed like the perfect example of success. But, behind the glitz and glamour, things were far from perfect. He faced personal struggles that threatened to overshadow his professional life. Despite being on top of the world, Ralph was battling deep emotional issues. He was torn between his passion for music and the chaos in his personal relationships. At one point, Ralph had to ask himself, am I losing myself in all this fame? What many didn't know was that fame wasn't the solution to his problems, it was amplifying them. Ralph's life was a roller coaster of highs and lows. Success was there, but it came at a price. A point came when he realized that he needed to confront his demons, or else they would ruin him. This was the first major twist in his journey, a moment when he had to choose between continuing down a path of fame or finding inner peace. Ralph's solo album in 1990 was a pivotal moment in his career. It represented a new chapter, one where he started exploring his own identity as an artist. But this milestone wasn't just about releasing music, it was a turning point in his life. After New Edition's success, Ralph had to carve out his own path, but it wasn't as easy as it seemed. His solo career wasn't just about gaining recognition, it was about understanding who he was beyond the spotlight. Success was coming, but so were the personal struggles he had to face head-on. There was a pivotal moment when Ralph realized that his career wasn't just about the external achievements. It was about self-discovery, finding balance, and navigating a world of fame that could be just as destructive as it was rewarding. His solo career was more than just about music, it was about finding his own place in a world that constantly demanded more from him. Now let's talk about Ralph Tresvant's net worth, which is estimated at around $8 million today. But here's the twist, this wealth wasn't the answer to his personal struggles. For years, Ralph defined his success by material possessions and fame. But when he looked around at everything he had, he realized something important, it didn't fill the emotional void inside of him. Despite the fame and fortune, Ralph's wealth became just another symbol of a life he was trying to escape. What seemed like success on the outside was, for him, a reminder of what was missing deep within. Money, cars, and fame couldn't heal the emotional wounds he was dealing with. The turning point came when Ralph realized that happiness couldn't be bought, it had to be found within. Ralph's luxury lifestyle was something many admired. His cars, his mansion, his designer clothes were all signs of his success. But as Ralph got deeper into his personal struggles, his luxury life began to feel hollow. The cars, the house, the possessions, none of it gave him true fulfillment. In fact, it became a distraction from the emotional turmoil he was experiencing. At one point, Ralph had to face the harsh truth, luxury and material wealth weren't going to solve his problems. He found himself reflecting on what truly mattered, relationships, self-awareness, and emotional health. Ralph's story reminds us that material success, no matter how glamorous, is not a substitute for inner peace. Ralph's mansion and car collection were proof of his achievements. But for him, they eventually became symbols of an emptiness he couldn't escape. Despite having everything that people dream of, Ralph realized that these material possessions were just temporary fixes. His mansion, once a symbol of success, began to feel like a cage. The cars, once a representation of his success, started feeling like burdens. Ralph had to ask himself, do I need all this stuff to feel complete? And as he navigated this internal struggle, he realized that true happiness wasn't found in luxury but in the emotional peace he was searching for. This was a major turning point for Ralph. He had to let go of his material attachment to rediscover his true self. Ralph's material success made him one of the top artists of his generation, but it also made him confront the emptiness that success often brings. As he looked around at everything he had achieved, he began to question whether this was all there was to life. Fame, wealth, cars, and mansions couldn't fill the emotional gap he felt inside. He realized that his true success wasn't in the possessions he collected but in the relationships he nurtured and the emotional peace he worked so hard to find. Ralph's story shows us that material success isn't everything, and sometimes, the most important things in life are the ones that money can't buy. Ralph Tresvant's life is a lesson for everyone who believes that fame and fortune are the ultimate goals. He had it all, wealth, fame, and recognition, but still found himself facing the hardest battle of all, understanding himself and finding true happiness. His journey wasn't just about building a career, it was about building an understanding of who he really was. So, if you've been inspired by Ralph's story, remember, it's not the money or fame that defines your success. It's the peace you find within yourself. If you want more stories like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on what moment in Ralph's life inspired you the most.